Hey folks, welcome to my learning center. This is your instructor Mansoor Suhail. Today's topic is how can you lead by example? Are there any books about leadership that you have enjoyed? Maybe John Maxwell's work. When it comes to the information in these books, I'm almost interested in the method for effective leadership. One of the most important things is to lead by example. Some of history's greatest leaders were visionaries, people who saw what others did not and shared their vision with the public in order to better the quality of life for all. Leaders have never been successful by being pessimistic and pessimistic. If you look at a problem and whine about it without proposing solutions, you will never accomplish anything worthwhile. An unflattering view of the world is all a leader needs to stay in the spotlight for a brief period before being forgotten. I have already discussed the detrimental impact of the media on our life and how we must work to overcome it. In my opinion, we may accomplish this by immersing ourselves in positive. As a leader, you must recognize that in order to be effective, you have to give your followers hope for the future. Consequently, he progresses and achieves greatness. An organization's leaders are doomed to failure if they lose sight of the lofty challenge of being positive visionaries, because no one wants to follow a leader who is heading off the edge of the cliff. It's important to remember that no matter where you go in life, you can be anyone you want to be. A problem can be solved by offering actual solutions and future visions, or it can be solved by rubbing everyone's noses in it until no one is listening anymore. You have the choice. When you have a consumer and they lodge a complaint, you perk up and listen to them. Nobody listens to you when you whine about the firm you work for all the time. Only until they have been out of the company long enough can complainers be spotted through the cloak of invisibility they develop. The complainant has developed into an eyesore by this time. Observing the so-called leaders of today, we should remember that we are not alone in observing them. The rest of the world is keeping an eye on our country and our company. Seeing our leaders whine and fail to propose solutions, the world gets a bad taste of discontentment and failure. For the good of our world, we must know that leaders' responsibility is to be a visionary and the one who provides the answer. While we wait for it, we will have to make do with what have been given. Expecting big things, provide outstanding answers, and step up to lead when you are ready to take on the challenge. Thank you for listening, folks. Join our Facebook group and subscribe to our YouTube channel.